Okay, what we're going to do today is to try to find a weighted average. Over on the right, we see that we have a list of classes which represent the rate of return on 5 years. The first class that we have is the rate from 3 to 4%. Of course, the upper is 3.99, but that's just a round off. So what we really need to compute first is that we know that the rate of return is anywhere between that. So our best guess estimate would be the class midpoint, which we will say is 3.5. And we can go all the way down. We can see that the class width is 1. So all the class midpoints will be separated by 1. So to do this on the calculator, what we need to do first is to hit the stat, come over here to option 1, and let's go ahead and get rid of the garbage that I currently have in list L1 by putting L1 in boldface, and then press clear, then enter. And now let's put in the class midpoints, which of course this would be 3.5, 4.5, and etc. till we get to the end. Alright, almost to the end. Alright, so now once I have that in, I will press the right arrow, which will take me to L2, and this is where I'll put in the frequency. So let me just go ahead and take the time to do that. So we start off with 16, 13, 4, 1, etc. here. And almost getting there. Alright, then lastly 1. So now to go ahead and actually compute the weighted average of the data that's in column L1, we just come up here and press stat, come over here to calc, do one variable statistics, and this one is in stat wizard. So some of your calculators you would put in L1 comma L2, but this one asks for a frequency list. The default would be a frequency of 1, but of course our frequencies are found in list L2, so I need to put that there. Come down here and press enter, and voila, turns out the average is 5.2%. And notice it says n is equal to 40, which is the sum of the frequencies.